So Jamie, Jan, just go for it.
It's me, Mark. Let's hula hoop. Oh, this is cringe, eh?
We've heard the trick is back and forward.
I've got 2 kids, I don't want any more.
Okay. I haven't hula hooped ever in my life. So front and forwards, and yeah.
How long? Keep going. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. I've been drinking all day.
Okay, хороший хомаро, хороший. Oh, how's the knees going?
Oh, I think it's pregnant.
Right, here we go. I had to engage a deeper thrust at that point after the watershed.
Ta-da! Guys, I need to go back. No, that's it.